you recording?
Yeah.
So now we're going to Arab Street to interview a few people and we're gonna eat some food. And this Nabil wants to belanja. And yeah.
Okay guys.
So now we are. Are we recording?
Recording.
Oh shit, okay.
Wait.
Bro.
Alright guys.
Yo, so we are at Arab Street.
Wait.
So now we are at Arab Street. So yes, we're gonna to where are we going? Zamzam. We're gonna go Zamzam and we're gonna eat. And it's actually Maggi Goreng. I think we might do a Maggi Goreng series over there. And yeah, we're gonna interview people after that. Hopefully got people lah. I'm not sure is it loud or not, but later I'll just use the external mic to talk. Yeah. So see you guys in the place. Bye.
Singapore dah choose dah. Kau tak choose. Kau follow me. Relax, I know.
NCS Dummy BGM.
Finish like the car.
Yeah.
Kali cannot extend lah. Please.
Yeah, it's like the time I extend, they charge me fines, $20.
Huh?
Yeah. Okay, you want to record the outside view first?
Okay, so guys, now we are going to try the food at Zamzam. So and review the food here lah.